Hi everybody, this is Marco. Welcome to another episode of Ticos in Georgia. So today I'm gonna do something really interesting for you guys. Uh, in the morning, I went to this farmers market that is located in Doraville, Georgia. The name is Beaufort's Highway Farmers Market. During my shopping over there, they have like a big fish area where you can buy fresh fish, and I wanted to do something really nice for my family tonight. So I bought some stuff right here. So basically, what I got right here, it's two pompanos, two fresh pompanos, and two yellowtail snappers. So I'm gonna show you how to clean them, and then I'm gonna show you how to cook them. So we're gonna do a very nice recipe tonight for my wife, for my mother, and for my two kids, and of course for myself. Okay, so first of all, let me show you the gear that I'm gonna use today. Uh, I'm gonna use, well, for scaling, I don't have like a special scaling instrument or anything like that. So I'm using just a spoon. So you can use any spoon, anything that basically can remove scales is good for this kind of business. Then the other thing that I'm gonna use right here, it's my fillet table. So this is something that I bought on Walmart a few weeks ago, something really cheap, and basically I'm using this one because I don't want to use the one that we got inside the house that is for general meat and things like that. So that's the one I'm using. Then I'm gonna use like a metal tray right here, as you can see it. This is a regular tray for baking. And then the other thing, the nice stuff that I'm gonna use actually, it's my Danko knives right here. So these are a present from my wife. So let me show this to you. Very nice. So this is Danko fillet. So, and this is the whole 3-pack. They come with a bag. It's called a roll-up bag kit. So basically, this is my kit right here. So I have 3 knives. Let's see, 3 different sizes. Very nice, very good. And today I'm gonna use the small one for the yellowtail fish, and then I'm gonna use the medium one for the pompano. This one right here. So let's go, let's do it. So I'm actually going to start with the yellowtails, because for the yellowtails what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a whole fish recipe. So I'm basically going to clean them, scale them, and I'm going to score them so I can put some spices, some sauce, and this is going to be really nice. As you may see, the scales are gone, and what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna remove all the fins. So let me remove this one right here. Let me remove this 2 right here. All the fins. I'm gonna use some normal kitchen scissors for this, and I'm gonna make sure I remove all the fins that I don't want. So I'm gonna remove this one's right here, the anal fins. Okay, and I'm gonna remove the skins, the things at the top. I'm gonna leave the tail though, because I really like crunchy tail, so I'm gonna leave that one on. But any other thing, and if you happen to find any more scales, just make sure you get rid of those. See right here, there's still some. So this is a complicated business, you know, removing scales. Sometimes it's not the easiest thing to do. After that, I'm gonna take out the gills. See, there's some gills here, so I'm gonna take them out. I'm gonna wash them thoroughly in the inside and make sure I get them ready to be cooked. I'm gonna remove the gills. I'm gonna take out the gills. So for this, I'm gonna start with the big guy, and basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this part of the fish And I'm also gonna take out this part, and that's the critical business right here, because you know the gills are right here. So by removing this little part right here of the fish, see, all the gills come at once. So it's this little thing right here below the mouth what's the key. So I'm going to take out the gills and make sure I don't take more meat that I don't want to take. See right here, very clean, no gills, no excess. So I'm gonna just make sure I take out all this stuff right here. Okay, gills are gone. Okay, let me repeat the same thing with this other guy. So see right here, I just take this one here, take it, this one here, take it, and then see this part right here of the fish? This is the key actually. So see, we only make a small incision here, and then you take out everything, every little part of the gills. Everything comes together at once. Okay, absolutely gorgeous. Okay, the final step in this process is I'm just gonna score the fish a little bit, just to make sure that whenever I put the spices and the salt and all that, it gets all good. I really like this knife. They're really razor sharp. So the next fish I have for you guys is the Pompano. This is a fish that is very common in Florida. On this time of the year, people are, you know, getting lots of this. This is basically a type of fish that you can get from the surf. I'm gonna use my Danko knife, medium size one. Okay, and I'm gonna clean my fish. First thing that I'm gonna do is right here, beside, check. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. All right. Let me get that one right here. And this one, we want to take as much meat as we can. So we're gonna go along the top fin, making sure we get just a little bit, just the tip of the knife in it. Okay, then we go as close as possible. Let me get that working. As close as possible. Make sure we get every little piece of meat right here. Okay. All right. Make sure you get the fish removed from this area. All right, I got it here. Here's the fish that I cleaned up earlier, and there's the fillets. Let me introduce you to my little girl, Emily. Say hi, Emily. And we're gonna start cooking, so let me prepare everything and we're gonna get ready and we're gonna be eating in just a minute. Here's some Everglades seasoning, some paprika, iodized salt, Everglades fish and chicken, and some pepper. Okay, putting some salt here. And I'm gonna leave the head on for this one probably, but for the other one I'm not so sure if I want to leave the head on. We'll see. I'll see if I can fit it. So let me put some pepper here. A little bit of pepper everywhere. And I'm gonna use Everglades fish and chicken for this one. Great spice. All right. And just a little bit of paprika. Just a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna season the other side and then I'm gonna show you the fillet. I'm gonna season the fillets. Same thing, I'm gonna put just a little bit of Everglades fish and chicken. I'm gonna go a little bit lighter with this one because this is for my wife and for the little girls, and I don't want to make it too spicy or anything like that. I just want to make it just right. And I'm not gonna put paprika on this one though. So just Everglades, pepper, and sea salt. And I'm gonna fry the fillets first, and then I'm gonna do the whole fish because the whole fish needs more oil. So I'm gonna start with the fillets and then I'm gonna continue with the whole fish. fish right here. Everything was great. Great results. If you like this video, please click subscribe.